What if the coldest place on Earth was hiding something we were never supposed to find? Beneath nearly 5 kilometers of ancient ice, scientists have discovered hidden mountain ranges, buried lakes, and strange signals coming from deep below Antarctica. But that's only the beginning. Because under this frozen continent, there may be lost ecosystems, untouched for millions of years, unknown life forms, and secrets from Earth's distant past. Some researchers even believe Antarctica could completely change what we know about human history and the future of our planet. Tonight, we journey beneath the ice to the last unexplored world on Earth, the frozen continent. Antarctica is larger than Europe, a massive frozen wilderness surrounded by violent oceans, endless storms, and temperatures cold enough to freeze exposed skin in seconds. For centuries, humans believed it was nothing more than a lifeless desert of ice. But Antarctica is not just ice. It's a continent hiding beneath the ice. And scientists are only now beginning to understand what's down there. Using satellites, ice-penetrating radar, and deep seismic scans, researchers have uncovered an entire hidden world buried under the frozen surface. A world no human eyes have ever seen. Because beneath Antarctica lies an ancient landscape frozen in time. The Lost Mountains Under the Ice. In 1958, something shocking was discovered beneath East Antarctica. An enormous mountain range, completely hidden under the ice sheet. The Gamburtsev Mountains. Some peaks are believed to be as large as the Alps, yet no human has ever climbed them. No wind touches them, no sunlight reaches them. They have remained buried for millions of years. Scientists still don't fully understand how these mountains formed. And that mystery only deepened when scans revealed massive valleys, underground rivers, and giant canyons surrounding the hidden range. It was like discovering another planet beneath our own. But the mountains were not the strangest discovery. Far below the ice, something else was waiting. Liquid water. The hidden lakes. Deep beneath Antarctica are more than 400 hidden lakes, completely sealed off from the outside world. Some have been isolated for over 15 million years. The most famous is Lake Vostok, a gigantic subglacial lake trapped beneath nearly 4 kilometers of solid ice. The pressure is immense. The darkness is absolute. And yet, scientists believe life may exist there. Tiny microorganisms surviving in total isolation, living in conditions similar to what might exist beneath the icy moons of Jupiter or Saturn. When Russian scientists drilled close to Lake Vostok, concerns immediately spread across the scientific world, because nobody knew what might be inside. An untouched ecosystem? Ancient bacteria? Or something completely unknown? For the first time in human history, we were opening a door that nature had kept sealed for millions of years. Antarctica's dark past. But Antarctica was not always frozen. Millions of years ago, it was covered in forests. Dinosaurs once walked across this land. Ancient trees grew under long polar sunsets. Rivers flowed where ice now stands kilometers deep. Scientists have discovered fossilized forests buried beneath the ice, proving Antarctica was once shockingly alive. And then, everything changed. As Earth's climate shifted, Antarctica slowly transformed into the frozen fortress we know today. But traces of that ancient world still remain hidden below. Entire ecosystems may still be trapped beneath the ice sheet, perfectly preserved, like a lost chapter of Earth's history, frozen in silence. The strange signals. In recent years, Antarctica has become the center of unusual scientific discoveries. Researchers studying deep cosmic particles detected mysterious signals emerging from beneath the ice ocean. Signals that behaved in ways scientists did not expect. Some theories suggested unknown particle behavior. Others believed the signals could reveal hidden properties of the Earth itself. Most scientists remain cautious. But Antarctica continues to challenge what we think we know. Because this frozen continent is still one of the least explored places on Earth. In some regions, we know more about the surface of Mars than we do about what lies beneath Antarctic ice. And that reality is both fascinating and terrifying.
What happens if the ice melts? Today, Antarctica is changing. The ice is melting faster than many scientists predicted. Massive glaciers are collapsing into the ocean. Ancient regions, buried for millions of years, are beginning to emerge. And with that melting comes uncertainty. What else might be hidden beneath the ice? Unknown microbes? Ancient viruses? Lost landscapes? Or clues about Earth's future? Because Antarctica does not only hold secrets about the past, it may also hold warnings about what's coming next.
Beneath Antarctica lies a world humanity has barely touched. Hidden mountains, ancient lakes, lost ecosystems, and mysteries still buried under kilometers of frozen silence. Perhaps one day, we will uncover everything hidden below the ice. But until then, Antarctica remains Earth's final secret. A frozen continent at the edge of the world, quietly waiting beneath the snow.